What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Jam. I'm Marcus Fury. Who else?
Justin.Gloo here, man. You already know. Yee.
Yes, sir. Today we're watching. How you say that?
What the? Ning.
Been messing this up for years, but
Ñengo? Ñengo flow?
perfect. And Bad Bunny. This is Gato de Noche. Legendary video. We're about to check it out. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. TikTok.
Yeah.
Hit us up.
It was Santa Claus, man.
Yeah, what the fuck? That boy streaming?
That boy said Feliz Navidades. The Spanish Santa Claus.
He said, where everybody at? They at the club with the real Santa. Rich Santa.
That's what you want for Christmas?
Bad Bunny. Stop playing.
Okay.
Bad Bunny flow.
Okay. The beat about to drop soon. Hey.
Bad Bunny type beat.
Come
on, man. A typical Bad Bunny day with Ñengo full.
Hey, only thing I know, bro. I'm hanging out with Bad Bunny. God.
Yeah, damn.
That boy got the shotties.
Bad Bunny.
Okay.
With the real Santa. Stop playing. Okay.
Who's this artist? Is he a new artist?
Nah, Ñengo full been out. Come on. Snapping. You want to go to the mall Santa or you want to hang out with this Santa? Ask yourself.
I'm telling you, bro, I'm hanging out with this guy right here. Like, let me get a couple Hyundai. This nigga, what the? God damn. This must be a club banger or something.
This is a normal Ñengo flow Christmas.
No recoil.
Stop playing.
So do Bad Bunny have Riz or not?
Supreme Riz.
Supreme Riz.
Okay. That's what you gotta watch.
It's definitely about a club or a strip club or something. There's a lot of strippers on this video.
That's how they spend every Christmas. Shit. Damn, she was choking that man. Y'all see, she just assaulted Bad Bunny, man.
Okay.
Hey, 100 girls.
Tell me.
But where they at? It's a normal Christmas flow?
It's supposed to be a Christmas. Well, I don't know.
Nah, it's definitely. This is Rich Santa. This is how he spends his Christmas with Bad Bunny.
I need to be there, boy. It's only 2 guys and it's like 100 biddies.
He said, I haven't seen one other guy the whole video.
The ratio is crazy. There, I'm telling you, every Christmas I'm here with him, bro. I'm not playing around. Oh, yeah, they. This is bad Santa.
He said, this is bad Santa.
Man, he made me want to hit the strip club this weekend, man. Oh, dang, man, stop playing.
Only on Christmas, man. Shout out Ñengo Flow, Bad Bunny. They showed us how they celebrate Christmas. I guess it's normal for them. No, but for real, like it really wasn't. I don't think I seen one other guy the whole video. Actually, to be honest,
There's no need.
he said no need.
Why?
It was a nigga full Bad Bunny Christmas. It's
What are
okay.
you
Yeah, it's
talking
okay.
about, man?
That's fine.
No
That's fine.
need.
Go ahead, go in the comments, tell us how y'all spent y'all Christmas, man. Shit. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. TikTok. Bro, what other? We don't got no Facebook. I don't think we do Facebook.
Facebook.
Don't look us up on Facebook. Don't worry about that. But yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, TikTok.